So you're looking for a new streaming application giving you access to hundreds of live TV channels with a fully working program guide that you can enjoy on your Firestick, on your Android TV. Now, this application is absolutely free. It doesn't require any kind of registration, no usernames, no passwords. I'm not using any kind of VPN. It doesn't have any adverts, and it was updated in the last few days, giving you access to even more great content. So please do take a moment to hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's get started. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Firestick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you. And here we can just see the application directly on the Play Store. This is a streaming service, gives you the best of video on demand and live TV, no registration, including music, movies, lifestyle, adventure, all of your favorite genres are included. And you can just see this was updated literally a few days ago. So hot off the press, let me now open the application on my Fire TV Cube and let's see what it looks like. So when you start the application for the first time, this is what you'll see. Let's click on continue. You then get the prompt about a privacy policy. So this is pretty much standard for all of these official free applications, that there is some level of advertisements or some level of data collection, but you can actually click on decline and you can still access the application. So I'm not interested in any targeting adverts. I'm not interested in any kind of data collection. I'm just looking for some free content. So let's click on start watching now. Let's click on that. And there you are, guys. So straight away, you'll get taken into a live TV channel. Let me move over to the program guide at the top. Let's click on that. And we now have a fully working EPG, the electronic program guide, where we can see all of the channels on the left. And you can see exactly what's on now, what's coming up next. Here, for example, on the Filmsy channel, we can see this is a Generation Iron program. I can press the select button. This will then take you directly to that channel. I can click on watch live, or I can even click on watch from start. So it does give you that VOD, video on demand experience, where if you don't want to watch it live, you can actually watch from the start and start the program from the beginning. But just to show you that it is a live broadcast, I can click on watch live and it should take me directly into there. And it's done exactly that. Okay, so this must be some kind of muscle building kind of show. Let's back out of that. Now on the bottom here, you also get to see a list of the popular channels. This is another way you can access the content, but of course you won't see exactly what's on there. So let's go back to the top. Let's click on program guide and we can once again browse through the content here. So yeah, that Generation Iron was some kind of bodybuilding show. Here you got other channels for fighting, for MMA, for contact sports. You got cooking, you got drama, you got more sports, you got some comedy, you got movies, quite a good variety of channels. And again, because of that fully working program guide, there's no guesswork involved, so you know exactly what's on these channels. Here, for example, we can see this is Detroit Muscle, which looks like some kind of car show. So let's click on watch live, give that a second. And we are instantly taken to that channel. And again, guys, you've noticed that no adverts, no pop-ups, no interruptions. We can go ahead and enjoy this content. And that is a full HD picture. That's working great. Let's go back to the program guide. So lots of different channels here, guys. You got some music stuff. You got some entertainment. You got lifestyle. You got drama. You got sports again. So definitely a good selection of channels. Let's click on demand. And we now have more of the VOD, video on demand content. So not a very big VOD section. We can see there's just a couple of pages of content here, but we can see there is some original stuff. Let's have a look at the settings. Here, for example, you can choose to receive a notification when new channels are added. So one of the great things about these official applications is they do add in new content, new channels, new movies, new TV shows. And with this application, you can actually get a notification when new channels are added. So that's set to on. And here, for example, you can also change the default language for the buttons in here. And we can see the time recording, the latest version is 3.7.1. So overall, guys, RLAX TV, great update. super easy to use, has that fully working program guide. We've seen lots of channels with lots of different varied content, no registration, no login. I'm not using any VPN, and all of this content is directly available. Now, to get this application on all of your devices, just press the home button. You can now go over to search. Let's click on that. Let's search for the word RLX. Here we are, so RLX TV. Let's click on that. And this is the latest version of the application. Now, if you can't see this in your application store or on the Google Play Store, I will also leave a copy of this, the latest version, directly on my website. Just head over to tdoctoruk.com in your favorite browser or in Downloader. Click on tutorials, and the latest tutorial will be how to get RLX TV on all of your devices. The other thing to mention is right now for Black Friday, there's a super special offer literally just for the next few days where you can now get a massive discount, $249 a month. So at that price point, to get total protection for unlimited devices, maximum speed, no logging, covers your Fire Sticks, your Windows PCs, your laptops, your Android TVs, all devices covered with that single license. This really is a very special price and something that I do think you guys, if you are in the market for a new VPN or if you're not happy with your current VPN, you should definitely check this out. Using my link does help support my channel. So if you do want to support me and my work, this really is the best way to do it. So really appreciate your support. Do have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. Do leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.